Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize bill payments with Prism easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your bill payments with Prism, first, download the Prism app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account by entering your email address and a secure password. After signing in, you'll be prompted to add your bills. Tap on the Add Bills button to start the process. You can search for your billers by name or browse through a list of popular services. Select your biller from the list and input your account information as requested. Make sure to double-check your account number to ensure accuracy. Repeat the process for each bill you want to add, including utilities, credit cards, and subscriptions. Once all your bills are entered, return to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see your upcoming payments listed by due dates. To set up alerts, navigate to your account settings. Enable notifications to receive reminders for bill due dates, helping you avoid late fees. Next, review your payment options for each biller. Choose whether you'd like to pay directly through Prism or link to your bank account. If you opt for direct payments, enter your payment details securely. To make a payment, simply select the bill you wish to pay from the dashboard. Enter the amount you wish to pay and select the payment date. Confirm the details before tapping the Pay button to process your transaction. Prism will update your payment status, keeping track of what's already been paid. Periodically, return to check for any new bills or changes in payment due dates. You can also categorize your bills to better manage your finances. For added convenience, consider linking your bank account for automatic bill payments. This feature will help streamline your finances and ensure timely payments. Finally, regularly review your spending reports in the app to stay on top of your budgeting. Following these steps will help you efficiently optimize your bill payments using Prism. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.